So in this video I'd like to show you how to install a new printer in your Mimaki Rasterlink 7 software. So to do this we're going to open up our Rasterlink 7 software. There we go, and we can get rid of our log display. We don't need that, so we can press X on that. So all I need to do now is go to Environments at the top, Printer Management, then I'm going to go to Add. When the next splash screen pops up, we're going to find our printer. So for this example I'm going to go for a UJV55. I'm going to choose the color set and I'm going to choose whether it's Ethernet or whether it's on the file. So you can see that there is our Ethernet printer, it's found it on our network. If we needed to, we could add a manual IP address and connect it that way. We'd then just need to give the printer a name, so we normally use the name of the printer, i.e. UJV55, and then press OK. Once you press OK, you'll see that your printer will start loading in and then you'll be able to use your printer. Now, the main thing you have to remember is you must have the correct driver installed and you must have applicable profiles for your printer installed as well. But that's how you install a new printer on Mimaki Rasterlink 7.